Hey there, and welcome back to our channel, where we turn forex trading into a simple and exciting journey for you. Today, we are diving into an important topic that every trader should master: the types of currency pairs in forex trading. So, whether you are just starting or looking to sharpen your skills, understanding how currency pairs are classified can help you trade smarter and more confidently. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know everything about the three key categories of currency pairs: majors, minors, and exotics. So let's jump right in. But why are these currency pairs so important? In the forex market, currencies are always traded in pairs. This is because forex is about exchanging one currency for another. A currency pairs essentially tells you how much of one currency is needed to buy a unit of the other. But not all pairs are the same. They are based on popularity, market activities, and economies involved. Currency pairs are divided into three main groups. Number one is major pairs, the market superstars. Let's start with the stars of the forex world, the major pairs. So basically, major pairs always involves the US dollar paired with another strong global currency. Why? Because the US dollar is the most widely used and traded currency in the world. Over 80% of the forex transaction involve the dollars, making these pairs highly active and incredibly liquid. Here are a few top examples. Euro to US dollar, a crowd favorite and the most traded pair globally. US dollar to Japanese yen, popular among the traders for its smooth trend and consistent activity. You know what's great about major pairs is that they usually have the tightest spreads, meaning the trading costs are lower. So if you are just starting in the forex, this category is an excellent place to begin your journey with. Number two is the minor pairs, the supporting cast. Now let's move on to the minors, which don't usually involve the US dollars. Instead, these pairs features other leading currencies like the euro, the British pound, and the Canadian dollar. Some examples of minor pairs are euro to Great Britain pounds, ideal for traders focusing on the European economies. Great Britain pound to Australian dollars, a favorite for those who are interested in the Australian or UK market. Although minor pairs have slightly wider spreads than the majors, they present unique trading opportunities. If you are familiar with the economies of these countries, then you can take advantage of their market trends to earn solid profits. Number three is the exotic pairs. High risk, high rewards, and finally, let's explore the most exciting and unpredictable category: exotic pairs. Exotic pairs combine one major currency with a currency from a developing or a smaller economy. These pairs are less traded, which makes them more volatile and results in wider spreads. Some examples of exotic pairs include US dollar to Turkish lira. The US dollar paired with the Turkish lira, known for its wild price swings. Second is euro to South African rand. The euro match with the South African rand is perfect for those who are interested in the African market. Exotic pairs can be profitable, but they require caution. Their movement can be sudden and dramatic. So it's important to thoroughly research the smaller economy involved before trading them. But why does this matter for traders? Understanding these classifications isn't just for theory purpose. It can directly impact your trading decisions. Here's why. Number one, majors are cost efficient and ideal for beginners due to their tight spreads. Number two, minors can be a gold mine for traders with knowledge of specific regional markets. Number three, exotics offer the potential for big rewards but demand careful risk management. When you know which category a pair belongs to, you can plan your trades more effectively and align them with your risk tolerance and goals. So come, let's quickly do a quick recap. But before we wrap it up, here is a quick summary. Number one, major pairs always involves the US dollars and are the most traded. Example, euro to US dollar or US dollar to Japanese yen. Number two is the minor pairs. Exclude the US dollars and it features all the major currencies like euro to Great Britain pound to Australian dollars. Number three is the exotic pairs. Combine one major currency with one from a developing or a smaller economy. Example, US dollar to Turkish lira. Knowing these classifications can help you navigate the forex market like a pro. And that's it, your ultimate guide to the different type of currency pairs in forex trading. So whether you stick to the popular majors, explore the versatile minors, or take on the challenges of exotic pairs. Understanding these categories will help you make informed decisions. So if this video made your trading journey a little clearer, then be sure to give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Got a favorite currency pair? Tell us in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video with more forex tips and strategies.